Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum, we got to Jubilee City and off screen I granted our Pokemon all up to level 16 except only Alex up to level 16 and Star and Jet are very close to 16 and Good is at level 14 and Star tried to evolve, Jet tried to evolve and Good will evolve in the next level. And yeah, and also yesterday I asked you guys the question of the day, who is your favorite protagonist? And today I'm gonna ask you the question of the day. From today I'm gonna ask you guys real questions and that are being. So the first question is, I think it's very simple. What is the shiny coloring of Charizard at first? And also let's talk to this girl. What? She doesn't give me the item I thought she'll give me. Okay. Okay, this is not the but the okay, I think this is not the house, but I know the answer, but I'm gonna not spoil the answer. I'll say that answer in the next episode, because if I say the answer in this episode, it will be not much of a question. So yeah, yes, this is the girl. We got the quick claw. Let's continue our journey in the Sinnoh region. And yeah, also I want to talk about some stuff. Let's talk about quick. Okay. And Good grew to level 15. What? Good is evolving. Congratulations! Your Good evolved into an Bibarel, and it wants to learn Water Gun. It will help us in the first gym. Let's go get rid of Growl. And Good learned Water Gun, and I'm not gonna grind up Good from now because I just grind it up because I need it for some HMs and for the first gym. I know our Monferno had Mach Punch, and he'll give us an HM 6 Rock Smash. Okay, let's take on this trainer. Starly against Starly. Who'll win? Okay, Star grew to level 16. She had a Shinx. Okay, let's switch out into our Shinx. Let's go Jet! Also, if you don't know, Shinx are also at level 15 and Starly are also at level 14. And are we gonna see a double evolution? Yes. What? Star is evolving. And congratulations! Your Star evolved into a Staravia. Staravia. And what? Jet is evolving. Congratulations! Your Jet evolved into an Luxio. A lot of evolutions in this episode. And everybody at level 16 now. Let's put Alex at front. Let's go! Let's go for a Mach Punch. Alex got 111 EXP. Who do you train out? Huh? You don't have a single badge? You'd better do something about. I'll take you to the gym. Huh? There's someone here? Yes. Huh? Oh, it's you, Lucas. You finally got here. You are slow like always. But anyway, the gym leader though, like seriously serious. If the gym leader this stuff, I wonder how he compares to my dad. I just drifted it. Anyway, the gym leader gone off to the coal mine. If you want to take on the gym leader, you'd better go off the mine. Okay, I'll better go to the mine. Let's start. Yeah, we got healed up. Let's go into the mine. Okay. We got a dire hit. And can we get some shots? Yes, we got an yellow shot. Yellow shot. Shots will not help us that much in the playthrough. Hearts can. I wish. I don't know where can we find. Also, I should have bought nipples. But whatever. I will go and buy some ripples. We got a Pokeball. Okay, let's go and buy some repels. Effect wore off. Let's go. I think yes, here is the Pokemon. And the thing is Gen 4 onwards is every time you defeat a gym, the Pokemon will be updated. So we can buy repels. That's a huge time waste. But no problem, this is platinum. Okay, let's go. And also you can find all wild onyxes here. But I'm finding wild Zubat. Okay, bye Zubat. Let's talk to this trainer. Okay, he's not a trainer. Also, we can find our first ever rare candy here. Yay! I like rare candies, and also I love pickup slaves. What is our Bigbarrel's ability? Mary. I never know. God. Let's go for a knock punch. Bye bye Geodude. Geodude had so much defense. I think this is the rare candy. No, this is the potion. And a stupid wild potion. Okay guys, looks like we are at the gym leader, but I'm not going to talk to him yet. Let's take on this battle. Okay, they all have Geodude. I like how in Gen 3 and Gen 4 you can take on the gym leader with any starter you pick, because you can take out the gym leader because the first gym is a rocket gym, and the 3 starter types will very help us with the first gym. Like with Torchic it evolves into a Combusken, and we also got an escape rope. Like with Torchic it will evolve into a Combusken, which is a fighting type, and with other 2 starters are water and grass types. So yeah, let's talk to Roar. Okay, stand back and watch this. Using the hidden rock smash, a boulder building your way. Fallen boulder need to be smashed so they are out of the way. If you could not get the gym badge from the gym, you would be able to do this. Of course, you would have to beat me, the gym leader first. That'd be me. And can we get a hidden rare candy here? And Alex is at level 17 now. Let's run. Okay, I think we can't find it, but let's use this escape rope. And just like that, we are out of the cave now. Let's heal up our party. I'm not going to take on this gym leader in this episode, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out his gym trainers. By that way we can take on the gym leader in the next episode, straight up in the next episode. Let's go into the gym. Not gonna take on the gym leader, I'm just gonna take on the trainers. I would be barrel at first because even though it's a HM slave, I want it wanna shine like our pick, which grew to level 49 in the last playthrough. I'm not gonna grind this thing, but I just wanna our good wanna get shine, man. And we have water gun, and it's a water type. I always find it weird that good is a water type, Bigbarrel is a water type, but whatever. Let's go for another water gun on the Onyx. I'm not gonna use Alex on the Onyx on the Geodudes or Onyxes for the gym leader because their physical defense is very high. We can't even one-shot them. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. Peace out.